Hello there, I'm Ibrahim.
And I'm Wei. We are the co-founders of PaperAI.
We are building PaperAI, an all-one research platform that leverages AI to streamline literature reviews and empower collaboration for researchers and the scholars.
So researchers, scholars, and students, especially those in the fields like law, we often face information overload and time-consuming tasks like we have to read through lengthy articles and papers. So summarizing and collaborating on research can take hours, if not days. This inefficiency limits our productivity and slows the pace of innovation in fields that rely on rapid research insights.
At PaperAI, we use AI to help users collaborate and engage with complex topics in real time. Ensuring an engaging learning experience, the platform also integrates AI to quickly search complex concepts and provide voice notifications for any updates.
So our goal is to make academic research faster, more efficient, and more engaging by enabling seamless collaboration across disciplines and geographical boundaries.
With the backgrounds and the AI, computer science, and the law, we understand these challenges firsthand and are uniquely positioned to solve them.
We believe Paper AI will be the go-to platform for the next generation of scholars.
And with YC support, we can take it to the next level. Peace!